Okay, welcome to the new channel. It's me, teacher Janvier. Today you are going to see how we can use CAMIS for uploading the marks. What you need first of all is just to open your Google browser. May I recommend you choose by using Chrome. You open your tab. You go in this search bar and then you write camis.nesa.gov.rw. Then this side here is for entering there. Login. You log in here when you are having the account. If you don't have the one, you need to create the account here by following this tab. But if you have the new one, you click here or no login. After clicking here login, here is to type the phone number, and here is to put there the password. Remember to click on this one in order for remembering you, because you can forget. When you are forgetting, just you can press here no recover password. Here is the option for creating the account, and here click on login. Now I am already in. Here you have different options. There is a dashboard. There is uploading the marks. There is creation of questions. There is a question bank. Here there is report. Here there is account sending. Here is a log out. For dashboard, here they show you the academic year that you are in. Here there is your name, the school that you work on. Here is the subject that you teach. Let's go on upload marks. You click on upload marks, and after uploading you click on academic year. You select the academic year we are in. Select the term. You can choose different option. You have different areas. You can just select the term 1, term 2, term 3. Select the grade. You choose the class. Let me choose the primary 4. Yes, you click the stream, if it is A or B. You have to wait. Datas are not just coming on time. And choose P4A. Here let me choose science, and I select attachment should be end of term. Then wait. Here we have 3 ways of uploading the marks. Option 1 is to upload using Microsoft Excel. Option 2 is to upload using online web portal. Option 3 is to upload using a SSD portal. But for me, I like to choose upload file Microsoft. When you click on this, and then you click on upload file. Here they will give you two options also. The first one is to download, the second is to upload, but you need to download it first. You click on download and then wait. It's going to appear here in download bar, then you switch on, open it, or you go in your explorer and then you click open. After that, Excel will be directed, and then you click here on enable, just to help you to upload the marks or to enter the marks. Here we're gonna see that there are the list of the students, student ID. Here is a class P4, subject, academic year, and the term. Here we have the ID, registration code, names, marks. The marks should be allowed. Marks must float and be less than or equal to 60. They should not be there. They are easy. Is pick the middle of drop down list or leave it. Here is the one day person needs to remedial. Just is claiming about the marks. You put them here. Then you start filling the marks here. After filling the marks, it's better if you use it. You can go in Excel and then you copy them. Click on copy, and then you come back on the Excel that you have opened, and then you click paste. After pasting, then you click save. Then after all, close the tab. You come back to where you want it to upload. You click on upload disk, and then you select this side. You click, then the marks will be directed to where you have saved the marks. Repeat this, and you open it, and then you click upload the marks. If this video was helping for you, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and then comment whenever you find us necessary and helpful. Thank you.